transitions, new faces, plus the return of the world boss, overcoming retribution and finding redemption. 2024, the year in review, continues.
Ballon d'Or hit for Mobe DJ Jamal, who claims ownership of the dance trend in dancehall.
The embarrassment, the shame, the flaws, all of that, I left that somewhere, I never remember. I don't really, I'm too done to really understand what people are say about me or not like about me.
But you can't plead dunceness in a court of law if you were to get in trouble.
Court of law? Yeah, you court because me dunce, me get leniency.
Rising Stars Season 20, and the winner is...
I was worried because everybody keeps saying Pinky is a voting machine. I went extra hard this week and I was just trusting God for the rest, man. That's all I could do. But I am over the moon and I'm grateful to God that, you know what, He brought me thus far and He made me victorious.
Rap star's Jamaican wife Keisha Kayor not surprised by Diddy's fall from grace.
I am not surprised, being that I've seen things online before.
Does it sort of give the impression that the rap world is out of control and entitled, and people in it can do whatever it is they want and get away with it?
No, I don't agree, because my husband went to prison, so he's a rapper, very famous rapper. So the rap world does not get away. Sometimes the justice system wants to show them like, hey, I don't care if you're a rapper, we're gonna use you as an example. So I don't think they get away with things.
Kartel's son, Little Addy, wants Jamaica to know
he's a changed person. You know what I mean? He's all about family and God right now. But then I really couldn't tell my father nothing still, you know, at all. But right now, he's willing to listen, you know what I mean, take advice from other people, so it's a good thing.
Shaggy and Tassan, Berison Bujo, plus the Marleys putting the Friends in Marcia Griffiths and Friends, one of 2024's best received shows.
Her voice, her presence, her power. You hear that is a queen that is singing, it's not like no, you know, and a princess that, royalty.
I would love to be remembered as someone who made a difference in this life through the medium of the music that I stand for.
New York dancehall singer Cranium still to hit the big stage in Jamaica, but only on his terms.
It's not about the discount. It was never a money problem. It's always a respect problem. I just feel like there's certain promoter need to understand, say, me not have time for foolishness, a business me I deal with. And I swear to you as I'm here talking, this not have nothing to do with money at all. You can't come on my phone and talk to me and a troop on the phone. Yo, singer, so you know say, on the 24th, me I want a show with you. And you see me just, we are talking to brother.
Based on a teleplay written by Jamaican Booker Prize winner Marlon James, crime drama Get Millie Black airs on HBO.
One thing we wanted to break from is the kind of Jamaica has only white beaches and beautiful people. I mean, it is, but there are deeper stories here, there are deeper dramas, there's trauma. Any society like ours, there are things that happen in the dark. What I was not interested in is a typical story that happens in the Caribbean or Africa or Asia, where it's white guy shows up and has three-dimensional experience while the one-dimensional black character is waiting in the background and everybody then looks at the sunset. And I wasn't interested in that story, and I don't write those stories.
And Vybz Kartel set to ring in the new year with fans at the National Arena. Freedom Street is much anticipated return concert, a Down Sound Records production with the DJ in flat-out promo mode in the lead-up and vowing not to disappoint his supporters.
This stage show has more features than the new Porsche that I bought. I mean, the Queen is gonna be there, Spice. Skillibeng is gonna be there. Tommy Lee is gonna be there. Sheba's gonna be there. Popcorn is gonna be there. For all the dancehall enthusiasts and the Portmore Empire enthusiasts, it's gonna be a reunion of sorts. So me and my cohorts. So it's gonna be amazing. And people need to come out. We're gonna have the fireworks. We're gonna ring in the new year with prayer. Pastor will be there. Because you know my new mantra is God and time. God is the greatest. So we're representing on a family level, on a religious level, on a dancehall level. So I need everyone to come out.